Welcome. If you want to add widgets to home screen in Nokia G10, at the first you have to click and hold home screen. Next, tap on the widgets. Right now you can simply pick widget that you want to attach on your screen. I'm going to choose digital clock, so we have to click, hold and then drag it for the screen. Where you want to get it, I'm going for the second screen. Okay, here we got some kind of the problem, so we can tap on it once and let's see what is going to happen. Okay, let's maybe click hold and then remove it and try to put it on the screen another time. Okay, that's the interesting stuff. Let's see what we are going to get when we try to add another widget. Maybe this calendar, for example. Okay, as you can see, the calendar is working, so there is probably some kind of the bug in the system. I hope that they will fix it in the next update. But that's how we can put a widget on the screen. Like in this case, when you click and hold it like that, you can resize the widget. Click outside to remove that scaling, and when you click and hold, you can also remove that widget like that. So as you can see, that's how you can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.